Choice today with the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect hands-free group, driver vanity mirror, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.